In today's video, I'm going to show you the best affiliate marketing training program that is available on the internet. The best part is it's easy to do, it's step by step, and it's 100% free to get started. Find out more about it coming up. What is up? My name is Chris. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to make money online, not just a little bit of money, but a lot of money, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tick that bell icon next to it so you don't miss anything. Okay, I get it. It's 2018 and literally everyone is trying to make money online. And there are literally tons of ways to do it. You can start a YouTube channel, you can freelance, you can start an Amazon store. But right now, I firmly believe that one of the strongest ways to make money online is by using a simple method called affiliate marketing. But here's the problem with affiliate marketing. There is way too much information on the internet about it. I mean, it's to the point to where you start to get information overload. The amount of content that's on the web as well as YouTube can really make you go crazy with trying to find the right thing to do. So then what ends up happening is that you don't know if the content that you're watching is still relevant for today, or if it's something that was used 2 years ago and now you're trying to piece it together and do it yourself, and you end up working a whole lot and getting absolutely nothing. That's the fear. I mean, who is there to even say that the information you're getting is even credible? So because all of this information is in so many places online, it's really hard to find a step-by-step training on exactly how you can work affiliate marketing and actually be successful with it and make a profitable business. And then another problem is that a lot of the information that is out there requires you to pay a ton of money up front before they even let you see what's on the inside. Now, I've realized over time that this is really a problem. Now, I've been writing on my blog for a few years now. Go check it out over at benjisdad.com. I'll be sure to put a link down in the description. And I've literally helped dozens, if not hundreds of people get their first websites out on the internet to the point to where it starts making them money. But inevitably, I do get a ton of email requests from people saying, hey, how can I get everything step by step for the true beginner? As if this is day one. I don't know a single thing. What do I need to do to make money online through affiliate marketing? Now, as I said, I realized that this was a big problem on the internet. However, I have done a ton of research and I've actually used the program that I'm about to tell you about right here. In fact, a lot of the tips and the training that I've been able to use at this particular website has helped me to build multiple websites online that actually earn me income passively. I'm talking about a few $1,000s per site, if not more. And through my research, the one thing that I have found that is completely different is the fact that this place does not even require a credit card to get started. In fact, they give you the first 10 lessons 100% free. All you need is a name and an email address. And the great thing about it is just because it is a 100% free first 10 lessons, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's free content. This is actually content that people would generally pay hundreds, maybe even a few $1,000s for, but it's given to you 100% free. And the training there took time to put together. We're talking about full-length videos, step-by-step instructions, even community help. Anytime you have a question, there's a place where you can put in a question and have one of thousands of people help you right then and there. So look, we're going to go ahead and jump to the laptop right now. I'm going to show you guys exactly what's inside and what entails the first free 10 lessons. All right, everyone, here we are on the inside, and this is the first 10 free lessons that you get with the Wealthy Affiliate Online Entrepreneurship Certification, Getting Started Level 1. And just to show you quickly how you can maneuver your way around here, you see it's broken up. Let me move myself over to the little bit over here, and it shows here 10 lessons, and these are all free lessons that you can get. You have Getting Rolling, Understanding how to make money online, choosing a niche, building your own niche website, setting up your website, getting your site ready for search engines, creating your initial website content, and creating custom menus on your website, understanding keywords and the start of your website, and congratulations, you're on to the next steps. So you see here, this is 10 very good lessons that normally someone would have to pay for just to see, but it's 100% free just by giving Wealthy Affiliate a chance. And just as a little addition, I want to show you what a few people have been saying about the Wealthy Affiliate training here. And we can see here 10 out of 10 stars. Great great foundation course on how you can get started with an online business. Get ready to take your first steps toward building your own online business. This is an excellent course that will take a person from zero knowledge to an understanding of the basics, but I see many people making one simple mistake when doing this course. I see a few people getting a few courses in and then trying to do the rest on their own, or by asking questions in the live chat. Yes, there is live chat. The fact is that the training is here for all of those who are willing to dig in and complete the course. Work through this one step at a time. Don't rush through any of the steps. If it takes you a week to complete part of it, then it takes you a week, but just don't skip anything. So you see here, this is just another example of people who have taken this free training and what they think about it. And there's plenty of more that we can, up to 494 more that you can see here, just to see what other people have been saying about the program. Now you would simply navigate the site just by starting with lesson 1 and then working through all the way through lesson 10. So say for instance, you did want to go back for whatever reason and just to see something maybe a little more clearly. Perhaps you want to figure out how in the world can I build a website and actually have it seen by Google. Well, they have a perfect lesson for it right here, setting up your website. And here it gets kind of technical, but it walks you through step by step exactly how you can build your website to the point to where it can be found on Google. And as you see here, there's a nice 20-minute video that's here that shows you exactly how the process works. They even show you how you can log in to your website through the program that they have here at the Wealthy Affiliate. They even show you how to activate different plugins, how to make your website run even more efficiently, have pictures and wording and what to delete, what to add. It's literally step by step. And then when you scroll down to the bottom here, they have little tasks that you can complete, and it says to watch the video, log into your WordPress site, activate your all-in-one plugin, delete the default post. So you can see literally step by step, you check them off as you do it, and then click next lesson. It's just that simple with how it works over here at the Wealthy Affiliate. So we're going to go ahead to the next lesson, but as you can see, a lot of time and effort was put into each one of these lessons. If you're into reading, then there's tons of written information. If you just want to watch the videos, you can watch videos that will literally show you step by step how to do everything that you need. So you can see the time and the effort and the care really that is put into these lessons that are 100% free to you. I don't think I can stress that to you enough, that this is 100% free just to try. Remember that most affiliate marketing training programs online require you to come up off of money first before they give you anything. But Wealthy Affiliate is so confident that you will enjoy the way that they present their information and how they teach you step by step that they're willing to give part of the program to you 100% free. So be sure to go check it out. There is a link down in the description. We're going to go ahead and jump right back into the full screen. So if you want to take advantage of the awesomeness that is the Wealthy Affiliate, be sure to click the link down in the description. It's benjisdad.com/free. That's benjisdad.com/free. There you'll get your free starter membership where all you need is a name and an email address to get you going. So if you want help from me as well, be sure to click the link down in the description and visit benjisdad.com. That's benjisdad.com. Sign up for my email list there, and I will give you a free video series guide that will show you step by step how you can start off with the Wealthy Affiliate on the right foot, and you'll be able to ask me any question you want whenever you need. So what was your favorite part about this affiliate marketing training program? Is it the step-by-step help that you can get, or is it the community that can give you the help that you need whenever you need it? Be sure to let me know down in the comments. Please be sure to like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family so that others can make money online just like you. So if you want to make money online, not just a little bit of money, but a lot of money, be sure to hit that subscribe button that should pop up about right here. Check out the latest video on the channel, which should be about right there, and I will see you all later.